All right, Peter. Guess what? Guess what, Peter? It's a Goodman.
Timer flash 7 times. BTU system. You ain't testing. Your guess.
All right, Peter. Let's clear the rest of the stuff out of here. We got to find the filter. They don't know where the filter is, Peter. What do you think? You think it's in there?
I guess.
I wasn't expecting to see this actually. What I see right now. I was expecting to see resting on a 2x4 framed structure. So let's see. Wow. No filter.
It's not there, right?
I don't know. Let's look. Let's see. Nope. Oh, I see a filter. I see a filter. Hold on. Let's see. There it is. See that in the camera? Look at that. Wow. That's a filter. A filthy filter. All right. Not every day we see a furnace. I knew that was going to happen. All right. Let's see if we can get that filter out of there. You know what? Not terrible. Not terrible at all. Turn the switch off. No, that was on the bottom.
Okay.
Put that one in there. Yep. Okay. Now push the top in. No. Okay. Now put your screws in. See, they do it in a way where if you need to get to the bottom panel, you got to take the top panel out.
And
So you have 3 screws. Okay. Flip that switch. Come on, Nest. There we go. Okay. Easy peasy. Let's go find the outdoor unit. All right, Peter. You ready?
ready.
Let's go service the rooftop units. Oh, come on, baby, get in there. Yeah. All right, Peter. You're using the OSHA-approved step stool to climb through the OSHA-approved access window. All right. So, this was that other unit that wasn't working. So we identified that this one is not the one we're here for, but this is the one we're here for. Now, you feel the discharge air coming out of the top of the condenser fan motor. This one feels hot. This one feels All right, so let's find our disconnect. We're gonna be, looks like that one. So use proper safety techniques and pull that disconnect out. Oh God, it's scary. That is scary. There you go. Good job. Be careful with that. Let's take a closer look at that, by the way.
Just hanging off there.
Just hanging by. You know, at least it's secured properly. Looks like a piece of BX or MC cable. You know, you don't want to call it BX because the Sparkies that watch the channel, they get their panties in a bunch. They do. Okay. So, Peter, let's first identify what kind of refrigerant we have working with here. We're working with, I don't know, R410A right there. And our model number is a 36 3-ton. All right, let's open her up. I'm gonna sit my toothpick right here on the ledge. And by the way, guys, check this out. Scan that QR code right now. Scan that QR code to make a donation to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization. We're an IRS recognized 501c3 charity where we provide free or low-cost plumbing, heating, and cooling services to those in the community who can't afford to hire a professional. Okay, so here we are. There's our dual capacitor right there. There's our contactor. And it was working this time, but it wasn't working before. So I would probably want to check the capacity of the dual capacitor and resistance of the contactor coil. All right, let's see what we got here. Before we do anything, let's see if it passes the shake test.
I think so. I didn't hear that.
Yeah, I don't hear nothing there. So we have a 45.5 here. She looks normal, doesn't look swollen at all, but as I say, if you ain't testing, you're guessing. So we have 3 terminals on top. The one with 1 or 2 is going to be our fan. The one with 4 is going to be our common. The one with 3 is going to be our Herm. So let's test from common to fan and see what we get there. 4.9, so that's okay. And then common to Herm. Common to Herm gives you nothing. Oh, really? Let's try that again. A better position. Sometimes the rust on there will throw us off, and we're still showing
0.
Wow.
Try again.
Huh. Interesting. Go back to common. I'm gonna go to fan. Yeah, 4.9. All right. Yeah, nothing on those. Oh, look at that. It reads quickly. So you have a good cut. Yeah. Wow, and it looks perfectly fine. Wow, 45.5 dual capacitor. Play some football. All right, so Peter has the replacement dual capacitor. We're using the Titan HDs. Unfortunately, we can't get any AMRADs anymore, so this is what we're working with. AMRADs are just very, very difficult to get with. Johnstone doesn't sell any, nor does any other local HVAC supply house. So we're going back to the Titan HDs. It passes the shake test, and they're made in the USA, as you can see there. So it is what it is. All right, so Peter's installing the new Titan HD 45.5 dual capacitor. We have all of our wires hooked up. The red and the purple is on our common terminal. Our brown is our fan. Our yellow is our Herm. Now what we're gonna do is turn on the power. Before we do that, Peter, we should do a test on the resistance on the 24-volt coil off the contactor, which is that right thing right there, dead center of the screen, with the yellow wire on one side, the blue on the other. So if we take off this wire, that's 24 volts there. Let's hold that off to the side carefully. Try not to touch it. You pull the blue wire. Okay, I'll hold that there too. You test the coil resistance with the Fluke multimeter, and we'll see what our resistance is. Okay, what do we got?
At 20.1.
All right, I would say she's still good. I like to see it in the teens, but we're still good there. We're good. All right, Peter, one thing left to do. Plug her in. There we go. Compressor started, condenser fan motor started, and now we discharge and heat. Easy peasy. Smash that thumbs up, and guys, smash it now.